Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you where and how you can buy Bitcoin by debit cards, how you can buy it anonymously, and how you can buy it even by using PayPal. I will be showing you a couple of platforms, and this video is continuing video from my playlist of cryptocurrencies, as you see, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, where I am post all videos from the very beginning explaining what are cryptocurrencies, and currently by showing you these platforms where you can buy, you will have a good idea where you can buy Bitcoin. And then I will get into trading platforms, where I will show you trading platforms, and then I will start talking about different cryptocurrencies and explaining them in more detail. So as after we will get in this playlist, I don't know when you will be watching this video, but I will get into trading these cryptocurrencies and I will show you how to trade. And I will not be getting into leverage trading, guys, and I don't recommend any of you who are watching this video to get into leverage trading unless you have learned trading and you have traded simple market or simple cryptocurrencies on normal cryptocurrency exchanges without leverage for at least 1 year, guys. And if you don't know what is leverage trading, then just ignore this, but in general I don't recommend anyone who is just starting out in trading to get into leverage trading. Okay guys, but now I will get through these platforms, and like I said guys, if you will find guys this video useful, leave a like, share this video, and please subscribe to my channel and help me to grow with TechWolf channel. So let's start with first one, and this will be OKX, guys. And this is cryptocurrency exchange, but on this cryptocurrency exchange not only trading, but you can also come in and you can buy Bitcoin and different cryptocurrencies. If you buy Bitcoin in all exchanges, you can exchange Bitcoin to other cryptocurrencies. One thing guys, if you are new to trading and new to investing of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, guys, I recommend you to always, whenever you buy on any of these platforms which I will be showing you in this video, whenever you buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, always send it to your private wallet, because guys, when Bitcoin or cryptocurrency is left on these exchanges or trading platforms or these platforms where you can buy Bitcoin, it is still not your Bitcoin. The power of Bitcoin in general is that if you buy that Bitcoin and you transfer it to your wallet, then only you have a control over that Bitcoin which you have bought. This is very important to understand, and this is the main thing about cryptocurrencies in general, that you owe your Bitcoin only when it is on your wallet, and this means that you have and you owe the private keys, and only you have access to that amount of cryptocurrency on that blockchain, whatever cryptocurrency you are buying, whether it's a Bitcoin, Ethereum, a Ripple, or any other cryptocurrency. And here on OKX, guys, you can buy different cryptocurrencies. You can buy Bitcoin, but then you can transfer it to Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, and EOS on OKB, and I will be showing you how to get wallets for this. I simply can't create all these videos in one go, guys, because cryptocurrency comes with, first you need to learn how to buy it, then you need to learn how to store it, and only then you start learning trading. And that's why I'm doing these logical steps in these videos, in this playlist about these cryptocurrencies. OKX is first once you are in your account, and I will not be opening all my accounts which I have on these platforms. Here I have opened account, and to buy cryptocurrencies here on OKX, guys, you have to go here on trade, and here you will see spot trading, perpetual swaps, futures, options, but here you will find this buy crypto. You will have to click here, guys, and they will offer you here where you can buy different cryptocurrencies. As you can see, you can select USDT, and USDT is a stable coin, then Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, and Tron, guys. If you are interested, you can buy here, at first selecting cryptocurrency which you want to buy here at the top. In our case it is Bitcoin, and then you can select one of these providers which they are providing where you can buy Bitcoin. When you are buying this Bitcoin, here you can see the price comparison of these providers which they are offering. So next one is the local Bitcoins, and this is one of the most popular, one of the oldest ones, and these local Bitcoins operates all around the world, and you can buy Bitcoins whenever you are. This is also one of the most popular platforms. Here is also a simple way of buying Bitcoin, but also always check these prices whether they are not overpriced in your region or your area. Always go to CoinMarketCap before and check prices and compare to these platforms, or whenever you are going to buy a Bitcoin. Next platform is Bitfinex. This is also a cryptocurrency exchange where you can change different currency pairs or cryptocurrency pairs, and you can also buy Bitcoin here. I'm logged into my account because here I also wanted to show you where you can get this Bitcoin if you are interested. If you would want to buy Bitcoin, you hover over this small icon and click here on payment card. Once you click here on payment cards, you will see this thing, and this is requiring me to do two-factor authentication, which I would always recommend you to any of you guys who are trading, and if you are dealing with these cryptocurrency exchanges and crypto platforms, always do two-factor authentication. How to do it and what it is, if you don't know, I will also explain in one of my future videos. Here's a similar way, guys. You can select and you can buy Bitcoin here on Bitfinex, and Bitfinex is also a reputable platform, a rather huge platform where you can trade, where you can buy Bitcoin, and so on and so forth. Next platform is Coinal. If I like Coinal, if you would be interested, you can also come into Coinal and buy Bitcoin. Buy coin instantly. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash and Ripple 24/7 with your bank credit cards and wire bank transfers. You can use even bank transfers to buy Bitcoin here on Coinal, and this is also rather reputable, and actually all these platforms which I am showing you in this video, these are rather huge platforms where you can come in and where you can buy Bitcoin. Here I also logged in, and here you can see the interface. If you will be logged in, this will be your private account. Here you can select whether you want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple or Bitcoin Cash, and you can see prices straight away in USD, United States dollar here. Once you select, for example, you would want to buy Bitcoin, you can select 0.01 Bitcoin. If you would want to buy, that would cost you $99.57, and then you click buy. And another thing, guys, that all these platforms will require you KYC, and this is know your customer. This means that you will need to provide your identification if you would want to start buying or selling Bitcoins on these platforms which I am showing you right now. Another thing which I am always getting asked from my friends is, if I buy Bitcoin, can I sell it straight away? Yes, guys, answer is yes. You can buy, if you can sell by Bitcoin at any time straight away, and it is like instantly. Once it will be a little bit cheaper obviously, but you can sell your Bitcoin straight away for the price which you can see on these exchanges and on these platforms which we are reviewing today. Next platform is Binance, and this is one of those platforms which I love myself, which I'm using myself, and where I'm trading cryptocurrencies and different crypto pairs myself. Some people who hate Binance, but Binance is actually one of the biggest and hugest trading platforms all around the world, guys, and this platform I love myself. I just trade cryptocurrencies and everything. I buy cryptocurrencies here when I transfer them to my local wallets, which I will show you how to do it also in my other videos. If you are watching my videos, I already created one video how I am buying Bitcoin and how I am transferring that Bitcoin to my Ledger device. If you haven't seen that video and you would want to see how it's done, guys, this is also here in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency playlist. You can come in and you can check this out for yourself. Very good platform. I like it myself. So as you can do staking on Binance, and I already mentioned staking in one of my previous videos. We will also be looking at how to stake, what is staking and what is masternodes, and other ways how you can make money from cryptocurrencies. Next one is Xcoins, also good platform, and by using Xcoins you can pay by PayPal. Accepted payment methods: PayPal, pay with PayPal balance or PayPal credit. If you are interested, you can buy even Bitcoin by using PayPal, guys. As you can see, they have 25,000 customers from over 40 countries. Buy Bitcoin with credit cards. Secured lending is just like exchanging, only better. It allows obtaining Bitcoin with credit card or PayPal quickly. This is for those guys, because many of you already have asked me how to buy Bitcoin with PayPal. And next one will be anonymous. You will be able to use different payment methods, and this is Paxful, and also huge platform platform where you can make payment and you can buy Bitcoin with many different ways. Here are bank transfers, there are online wallets. This is also using PayPal, Krill, Paysend, and there is huge amounts of ways how you can pay for Bitcoin by using Paxful. There is gift cards, you can even pay with gift cards. There is cash payments, debit cards, digital currencies, and all of them have listed in smaller part. But if you would be interested to buy Bitcoin, you click here on buy Bitcoin. Obviously there is send and receive, but if you click here buy Bitcoin, and here you will, just in a second, this is my recording device, that's why it's slowing down, but here you can see any payment method, and you click here on show all, and it will show you all payment methods what you want. As you can see here on the top, there is all payment options, and here is a huge amount of payment options which you can use to buy Bitcoin, and I will not be going through them. As you can see, guys, I'm scrolling, there is huge of them. On top they are classified bank transfers, so you can use different bank transfers like SEPA payments, PayID, IMPS server, UPS transfer, bank transfers, and so on and so forth. There is huge amounts of them. Then there is online wallets which you can use, and here is you can use by PayPal payment, and there is gift cards, so you can use Amazon gift cards, eBay gift cards, iTunes gift cards, and so on and so forth. You can find many other different gift cards which you can use as a payment. And then we have cash payment, MoneyGram, Western Union, and this is another way how you can pay for Bitcoin. Then we have debit and credit cards. Also, guys, huge amounts of ways how you can pay it. And here is digital currencies. This is pretty much cryptocurrency exchange. If you have, for example, Ethereum, you can buy or exchange your Bitcoin to Ethereum which you have, guys, or any other cryptocurrencies which you can see here, Nano, NEM. But always whenever you are buying and using these exchanges or trading platforms, before you do a deal, always check whether you are happy with the exchange rate and with the transaction fee which you are using, because this is important, guys. And next one, and my favorite one after like Binance, because I use Binance for trading and Coinbase for buying Bitcoin. This is a little bit more expensive, I know, guys, but I love Coinbase. It is very secure and it is very trusted way. You can come in and buy Bitcoin here, and like I said, you can watch my video where I was buying 0.15 Bitcoins. It was 2 or 3 videos back in this playlist, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. You can go and check that video out where I'm showing you how I am buying Bitcoin and how I am transferring Bitcoin to my ledger device. This is called storage device for Bitcoin. Here on Coinbase you can also buy different cryptocurrencies. To finish it off, whenever you are buying Bitcoin, always transfer it to your wallet. And about wallets we will be talking, or I will create a video, one of the next ones, and then we will get into exchanges, and then we will get into cryptocurrency trading. So you will have a good understanding about platforms, about where to buy it and where to store it before we get into cryptocurrency exchanges and into trading itself, and then you will know exactly how this all works, guys, together. So yes, if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, and like I said, guys, if you are new, please subscribe, and see you in the next one.
Then check this out.